What's happening, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Red Oak Outdoors. We are back out here, coming back to our new honey hole. Brandon, he's already getting into them again. I'm late to the party as usual, but you know what? It's all right. I think we're gonna have a great day. Hopefully, we don't lose any more fish. I am still recovering from losing that giant walleye, but you know what? It's all right. It's gonna be a great day. We're gonna battle this wind, hopefully battle some nice fish, and just have a good time kicking it with the homie. So I also bringing him some food and a Red Bull. Got him some homemade pizza that our buddy Bob had made just a little bit ago. It's amazing. But anyway, let's go catch some fish. Get into it. What'd you find? Holy crap, dude! That thing is massive.
Dude, it's a lobster.
Wow. Is he alive?
Yeah, dude, I literally just pulled him out of the water alive with my hands. He's just
Dude, that thing is so big.
Dude, he was dragging a fish that had just died, like a whole wiper himself.
Dude, that is amazing.
Dude, he's awesome.
That is so cool. Put him in your turtle tank.
My turtle tank is at the...
Or your turtle pond.
I might, dude. I wonder if the turtle would eat him.
It might. Oh, here. Got you a Red Bull.
Let me test this one while I'm
Okay. All right, guys, here's the spot. Settle in. Feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme, get on my it's fishing time. Let's go. Got one. Woohoo! He's a nice one. He's a nice one. I just had to slow down on a Ned rig. That's all I had to do. Boom. There we go. The Ned rig does it again, Brandon. No, you slow down. Catch a fish. Okay, well, keep it up. Keep up the good work. Stay on. Hey, got another one. He's another nice one. About the same size. Maybe a little bigger. Let's go, buddy. Right there in the top of that mouth. All right, relax a little bit. Get you do me a favor. Let go. There we go. Another chunky female, thick. Look how thick that girl is right there. You'll love to see it. You'll love to see it. All right, let me wash my hand off real quick. Wow. Got another one. Hey, Brandon. You should go bring your Jeep up here. Why not? Oh. Come on, Brandon. We're not having a challenge today, are we? Yeah, because at any moment the bike can just shut off completely. Where did it go? Oh gosh, it's a risky cast. It's in the tree. Is it gonna come out? Shoot me in the face? Probably. Oh, yeah, lost another one. You got one? About time, dude. I got one too. Dude, we're doubled up. We're doubled up, Brandon. Let's go. I just got back to the spot too. Dude. All right, here's the real test. Whose fish is bigger? They're like carbon copies of each other.
Yeah, maybe.
They're almost identical.
Mine's longer.
Mine's taller.
Mine's longer. Mine's got a fatter belly.
Slightly. Whew.
We'll put it back.
All right. Hold on a second. Hold on. Instagram, man. You got to think about the content. Oh, bug in my ear.
Bro.
Doubled up. Doubled up. All right, let's go ahead and get him back.
Man, go ahead, mama.
Oh, turn around. Mine's stupid, bro.
Yeah, yours is. Dude, that was awesome.
There we go. There's another one. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Hey, Brandon, are you sure you don't have a contest? A little competition? That sounds like a personal problem. Oh gosh, this looks so good. Boom, another one. This guy's a little bit smaller. And of course, for Instagram and the shorts and all that, we gotta give this little guy a little fish flop. Woo. Nice. That's not a striper. There's no stripers down here, dude.
That's a chunk.
That's a big one, dude.
Solid lines, too, dude.
They're broken up right there. That's a wiper.
A wiper.
That's still a great fish, though.
That's
Best one of the day.
Best one of the day.
Good job, dude.
Number 8.
Number 8. See, I gotta put this thing back on. There There we go. Good fish. Good fish. Come on in, dude. Come on in, dude. Thank you. Let's go. We got a beautiful fish. Dude, I was just about to slam this thing in the water. You know when they spike a football? That was an intrusive thought. Just spike them back in the water. I'm getting a little bit too excited. Just a little bit. Oh, dude, look at the clouds up there. That is beautiful. All right, folks, this is where we're going to call this video now. The wind is getting worse and it's getting dark, so love you guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like it, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we will catch y'all on the next one.